So welcome back to Frank's Garage. It's that time of year again. End of the season. Tomorrow's our last racing day. So I picked up a few new things, a new toy especially, that will open a lot of opportunities and possibilities for us. I'll show you here real quick. So we're gonna check the oil in this and everything, make sure, comb it over, make sure everything's tight. And then this is what I got here. I got myself a tow dolly. It's aluminum too, it's nice. Has a spare tire. So I have to, these are the ramps right here. They come off and they go down. I have to fix these lights. So what's happening is, so we're gonna trailer down the Civic here. Got my dad's truck over there. I got it all fixed up. I put a new rear end in it, or a rebuilt rear end, so it's all real nice now. So we're gonna trailer this up. My local track is closed, so I have to go to a track that's an hour and a half away, which no big deal. We'll tow it up in case we break anything. So this is probably gonna be the Civic's last race of the season, because here in Ohio, all the local tracks close. So we're gonna hopefully hit our 10-second quarter mile tomorrow. I'm gonna be as prepared as I can be. I'm by myself, so I miss a few things, you know, whatever, but I'll make sure I check my air pressures when I get there and everything good. And we're still rocking on that broken engine mount, which is still nice and solid. It hasn't moved again. And we still have a ratchet strap right here, but that's been fine also. Hopefully we just hit all of our gears tomorrow, and I believe this thing should hit a 10-second quarter mile. I do have it tuned up a little bit. I dialed in the boost controller a lot better. So here you go, right here. We're making about 13 pounds in second, and then third gear we're about 16 and a half. But see, our battery voltage still drops. A little rich there, but it's better than being lean. So hopefully we got this thing dialed in and we could rip it. Oh, I want to check this too. It's a little, I could push it out of its mount. Look at that. So I want to check that and see if I can nut and bolt it or something. See what's going on there. But that's not why we're missing second gear though. I just lubed the cable too to see if that helps at all. I'm gonna lube this ball also. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. So here's the new trailer. I think I got it for a pretty good deal. It's all aluminum. These slide to adjust. But I think you have to lock these in, and I gotta figure out how you do that. If I'm supposed to tighten this or whatever, I gotta look it up. I gotta look through this thing and see. I think you're supposed to tighten these so it doesn't slide. I would think so. Yeah. So we're gonna do a dry run. We're gonna put a tire on it and strap it down. The guy gave me straps also. Got these straps. I gotta figure out if they're gonna work. And then there's a new lead right here. All right, so the measurement needs to be 67 outside the outside, which puts these things pretty close to the edge, which I like. The only thing is, this is why we test stuff, because with a strap here, that's not gonna work. So we gotta take the strap off, push this over a little bit, and then figure out where we're gonna strap. All right, so I figured out these things have all kinds of adjustment. So these two bolts makes it slide this way. These two bolts, you can slide the tray in and out, which is sweet. So I got them tight. So technically this whole thing's adjustable. If you could take these two out, and then the bottom up front here, you could push this axle in a little bit if you had to. Pretty cool. Local too. took the bumper off too. So hopefully this works. Of course I have the car loaded and then went to put air in the tire, and now you can hear she's leaking. Well, this side this is way worse. It was off the bead, so I jacked it up, but you can see a little bit of bubbler right there, and you can see it around the rim from beating it. So we will see how they look in the morning. All right, let's move it around a little bit. Definitely moved. It's supposed to. So far, so good. I've only been on the freeway for about a mile. This thing has no power. I can't even get to 60 mile an hour, barely, without, you know, sucking the whole 7 gallons of fuel. But she's going good so far. It's pretty smooth. I'm doing 61 mile an hour right now. We rolling. Made it. Looks like we're going through a real tech here, so let's see if we get through. It sucked to drive all this way and not get through tech. The only thing I'm worried about is my helmet is not a real drag racing helmet. It's for like from Walmart. So I don't know what's gonna happen here, but we're gonna try. They got a whole list of things you have to have here. Hoping that my car's slow enough that he doesn't ask. How you doing?
good.
Hopefully I did all that right. I don't know.
Well, we'll find out.
First time here at this track.
That's okay. Just relax. Everything's going to be all right.
All right.
You're running street, right?
Slick tire.
Slick?
Yep.
You wearing a helmet?
Yeah.
Can I see it? The helmet's not snow approved. All it is a DOT. And what that is, it's good for maybe like a 4-wheel or something like that.
Oh, really?
So if you just bought it, I'd take it back.
You said snow. What's it need? Snow approved?
You need a snow approved helmet.
Okay.
Did I write you a white?
You did, yeah.
Here, give me it. I'll put it on the back. You need a snow approved helmet.
Okay. So I can't use this one at all?
No, wear it.
Wear it? Better than nothing? Okay.
Yeah. And make sure when you do buy a new helmet, make sure it's a 2020. Don't let them sell you nothing different.
Okay.
Snow approved 2020, not a 2015.
Okay.
You're losing years.
Okay.
They're good for 12.
All right.
Very good. Have
Cool.
fun today.
Thanks.
Very good.
Well, we made it. He wrote down the kind of helmet that I need. Let's go have racing. So of course I just announced that this is the last round of slick tire. I guess I did 3 runs today. I didn't get any. This is my first one, so this is the only one I'm able to get, which is very unfortunate. So let's make it happen. All right, our one and only run of the night, or the whole day actually. Let's see what we can do. This track's not uphill like Quaker. You know how Quaker goes uphill? This one's nice and flat. It's actually really nice here. If we actually get down it. It's all concrete. It's flat. They got nice grandstands on the sides on the hill. Guess what? I had not enough fuel in this damn fuel tank to make a full run. That's so irritating. Oh, what a wasted day. What a wasted season. I'm so irritated. That's why it was popping like that, because it was going lean. Run out of fuel. Is there a scale somewhere? 1/660 foot though. But after that, bad news. What a waste. 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 Didn't have enough freaking fuel in the car. Gas gauge is wrong. Of course. Let's see what this thing weighs at least. $25.40 with me in it. Hi, bud. Hi. What'd you do all day? Nothing. Hi, Dad. You didn't do anything all day. Not one thing. You hungry? Are you hungry? Yep, you got your cabinet open, so you must be hungry.